All right, it's time for another hieroglyph, or in this case, two hieroglyphs that are used together. So, what are these and how are they used in ancient Egyptian? That's what we'll get into in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you click subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos like this one. All right, so what are these? These are probably some of the harder ones to figure out here. We have two different things. First, the bottom part is what we call a carrying standard. This is basically a pole that would have been carried in processions or sometimes in battles. And this is used in many different combinations in Egyptian, usually with the image, a common image of a god on it. And in this case, that's what we have here. This image that's on top of it is the image associated with a god we call Min, or in ancient Egyptian, Menu. Now, this is one set of hieroglyphs, particularly the top part, but also in combination with the carrying standard, that will not be used really for anything else. This is just to designate the name of the god Min, because together they do function as a type of logogram or ideogram that is basically standing in for the entire word or name in this case. Now, Min is a god, along with the symbol for him, that goes way back into the pre-dynastic period that we have evidence for, and he's heavily associated with creation and with fertility. Now, like with other gods' names, Min's name can show up in a variety of places, including, of course, when he's shown on temple walls and so forth, but also in offering formulas and also in people's names and titles on monuments or even on small scarabs like this one. I'll see you next time.